Imagine checking your messages, getting real-time translations, even seeing live captions of a conversation, without ever pulling out your phone. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, Meta says the future is already here, with its brand new Ray-Ban display eyeglasses. Glasses that might just change how we interact with technology forever. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Meta's latest gamble AI-powered smart glasses with a built-in display. Mark Zuckerberg claims this is the next step beyond the smartphone. But the big question is, are these glasses the future? Meta has spent years pushing into AR, VR, and the metaverse. Billions poured into Oculus headsets, Horizon Worlds, and IM. Adoption has been slower than hoped, but instead of backing down, Meta is doubling down. At Meta Connect 2025, Zuckerberg walked on stage, wearing what looked like normal Ray-Bans. But these had a built-in microdisplay hidden in one lens, showing notifications, directions, even live subtitles. Think Google Glass, but cooler, sleeker, and far more advanced. Let's break down the highlights. First, the display. Bright, high resolution, and discreet. Second, the neural band, a wristband that reads muscle signals, so you control the glasses with subtle finger movements. Third, the battery. Around 6 hours of mixed use, with a charging case for extra life. And finally, camera and audio, better video capture, built-in speakers, clearer mix. These glasses connect directly to Meta AI. Ask questions, translate speech, or summarize emails, all right in front of your eyes. Meta wants them to be the main gateway to its AI assistant. Zuckerberg's vision is bold. He doesn't just want us scrolling apps on phones. He wants us living in an AI-assisted world where the interface is everywhere, always ready. His bet? That one day, these glasses will replace the smartphone. But the demo didn't go perfectly. The display glitched. The neural band lagged. Zuckerberg had to restart twice. Not exactly smooth. Still, the potential was clear. The Ray-Ban display glasses launch at $799 in the US. Shipping starts September 30th. Other markets like the UK, Canada, and France get them in early 2026. Meta also refreshed its older Ray-Bans and partnered with Oakley on a sporty $499 version. Why is Meta doing this? Because Zuckerberg sees AI plus wearables as the future. He said he'd rather risk spending billions than miss the race to superintelligence. These glasses are just one part of that plan, but Meta isn't alone. Apple, Google, Samsung, all are chasing the post-smartphone device. Competition is fierce. And skeptics remain. Battery life is limited. Privacy concerns are real. Cameras on glasses always spark debate. And the biggest question, will people wear them daily? Or will this be another Google Glass, a cool idea at the wrong time? Meta believes the timing is right. AI has matured. Hardware is better. And wearables like watches and earbuds are normal now. If Meta succeeds, this could be the next big platform shift. If not, it could be another costly misstep. So are these glasses the beginning of the end for smartphones? Or just another flashy gadget bound for the tech graveyard? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, Meta isn't afraid to dream big and risk everything to shape the future. What do you think? Would you wear eyeglasses like these? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives.